Hi everyone, welcome. Let's discuss what's Neurographica and how to draw it. Neurographica is a transformational drawing technique that combines art, psychology, and neuroscience. It was originally developed in 2014 by a Russian psychologist and architect Pavel Piskarev. We use it to drive changes, transformations in our lives, to tap into our subconscious mind and inner power. So how exactly do we do that? Well, we always start with a topic. Your topic could be something positive, attracting stuff into your life, or something more negative, maybe an unpleasant emotion and situation that you need to work on. The topic can be anything, but what we actually need to do is to take all those associations and ideas and situations we have in our subconscious mind and bring them to the conscious mind and work with them. After we activated the topic and defined it, we need to represent it onto paper with some figures. In Neurographica, we usually use some very simple figures like a square, a triangle, circles, and some other figures. So far, what we've done here was related to the graphics in Neurographica. Now we need to bring the neuro into our Neurographica drawing. The way we do that is through neurographic lines. Check out my next video on neurographic lines and how to draw them. I go into details what they are and how to draw them correctly. There is a small learning curve to them, and just need a bit of practice. That's why I created that particular video. So we brought new ideas, new associations, new intentions in our neurographic drawing. Now we need to round all the corners that we created. Our subconscious mind doesn't like sharp angles. It sees them as something dangerous. It sees them as a conflict. So that's why we need to round all the corners. Around this step, it's when we are going to start noticing different changes in our bodies. We might have certain thoughts coming to our mind. This is a way of our subconscious mind communicating with us, and we need to learn to listen and to understand what it is that our subconscious mind is trying to tell us. So it's very important during the drawing process to pay attention to our thoughts, to our emotions, how our body reacts. Often you might have someone interrupting you when you draw. So it's very important to pay attention to these changes for a quicker and a faster change. In the following video, I am going to go into detail how to draw the neurographic line properly and how to round the corners so they look very smooth and we get maximum effect. So far, we clearly defined our topic. We represented different ideas and associations we have with our topic graphically onto paper. Then we added neurographic lines and rounded all these corners, all these conflicts. Now we need to integrate all of this, and in Neurographica we integrate with colors. So let me do that quickly. If we are happy with the integration, we take a thick marker and draw field lines. These are lines that represent our very bold intentions that are our ask to the universe in our topic. They're very bold, thick, like our intentions should be. After we are happy with our field lines, we need to draw the figure of fixation. That's a figure that represents the result, the conclusion, the thing we want to get as a result of our drawing. So the figure of fixation can be a figure we already have on our paper or something completely new. I'm going to just draw a circle on top. This symbolizes our new result. We take a moment to round all these corners. And after we are happy with a new result, with a new idea we created, we can go ahead and spend some time on adding the final touches. So Neurographica is a transformational method, and we draw it to obtain certain results, certain changes in our lives. But that doesn't mean that as a bonus, we cannot have a beautiful drawing. So we can take a bit of time to bring it to a state where we are happy. After we round all the corners and we are happy with the end result, we come back to the topic and do a check-in again. See how did things change, what kind of new ideas we had during this process. Did new insights came into our mind? Did we had a revelation? Did we get an answer to our question? Then we draw some conclusions and identify what are going to be the next steps. So to recap everything, when we draw Neurographica, we start with the topic. We bring all the associations we have from the subconscious mind to the conscious mind. We put them onto paper and other things we want to have in our topic. For example, it could be starting a new business, attracting a new love interest, getting more money. We put all of that onto paper. We add neurographic lines and round all the corners, aka smoothing all the conflicts. Then we integrate these new ideas, these new concepts with color. We add our very bold intentions and asks. We put them out there, and graphically we represent them with field lines. Then we represent the conclusion of our problem, or like the solution to our problem, and we usually do that with a very big, very visible figure. Then we add the final touches. We make the drawing look beautiful and the way we want it to look. And as a last step, we come back to the topic and draw conclusions, analyze how things changed, and what are we going to do next. So these are the steps on how to draw Neurographica. Here are some examples of Neurographica drawings. I hope to see you in one of our sessions where we go in details and actually create a drawing like this. Let me know in the comments what you would like to work on and what kind of challenges you would like to overcome with the help of Neurographica. I hope to see you in one of our sessions and to work with you together.